대화 2.
우리 내일 어디에서 만날까요?
시청 앞 어때요?
좋아요. 그러면 6시쯤 만날까요?
6시는 좀 빨라요. 7시에 괜찮아요?
네, 괜찮아요. 그럼 내일 시청 앞에서 7시에 봐요.
도청, 도청. 시청, 시청. 구청, 구청. 경찰서, 경찰서. 소방서, 소방서. 출입국 관리사무소, 출입국 관리사무소. 보건소, 보건소. 주민센터, 주민센터. 빠르다, 이르다, 빠르다, 이르다. 늦다, 늦다. 가깝다, 가깝다. 멀다, 멀다. 같다, 같다. 다르다, 다르다. 간단하다, 간단하다. 복잡하다, 복잡하다. 편하다, 편하다. 불편하다, 불편하다. 가능하다, 가능하다. 불가능하다, 불가능하다.
Lesson 13, Grammar 2. Now, we have seen this before, as you might remember, when we learned about the polite way to make suggestions when you're trying to help someone. 도와드릴까요? Now, the awesome thing is that you can add 을까요 to lots of verbs to suggest other things, especially when you are making plans with someone you meet who speaks Korean. Make sure and check whether there is a consonant or a vowel at the end of the base verb and add 을까요 with a 0 at the top if there is a consonant, like shall we read? 읽을까요? And just add plus 까요 if there is a vowel or an there already. 살까요? How about 하다? It's not special this time. Just add 을까요? 할까요? So what's that? 할까요? Good. Shall we go on? In other words, 을까요 is used when the speaker wants to make a suggestion to the listener or ask about doing something together with the listener. It is equivalent to shall I, shall we, or why don't we in English. 을까요 is added to the verb stem. Ending in consonant. 을까요? To read. 읽다. Shall we read? 읽을까요? Ending in vowel or the final consonant. To buy. 사다. Shall we buy? 살까요? To make. 만들다. Shall we make? 만들까요? Now let's hear some more examples.
몇 시에 만날까요? 7시에 만나요.
What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 7. Yes, this reminds me of a movie. Have you heard of the movie Shall We Dance? Yeah, that's the same kind of question here. Good. So shall we meet in Korean? 만날까요? Good. Let's hear another example.
내일 같이 점심 먹을까요? 좋아요. 같이 점심 먹어요.
Shall we have lunch tomorrow? Okay, let's eat lunch together. When you come to Korea and you want to make friends, you can use this expression to make plans with the people you meet. So always remember it. How do you say shall? 올까요? Good.